year 2024-2025. Let today be the start of something new. New school year, new beginning, new friends to be with, new knowledge, new experience, new adventure and challenges, new moments to cherish, and ambition to share. New day to remember, your first day and first week of classes. Get inspired, learn, and be motivated. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Let me introduce all the grade 11 teachers and all your advisors and subject teachers para at least makilala na ninyo sila. So from grade 11 teachers headed by Sir Jeffrey Sanchez, our master teacher 2, and grade 11 chairman Sir Ferdinand Miranda. Sila yung mag-lead sa grade 11. So from grade 11 Mabini, advisor is Ma'am Grace Orsal. From grade 11 Rizal, Ma'am Ann Vibar. From grade 11 Palma, ang magiging co-advisor dito si Sir Ferdinand Miranda, pero ang talagang advisor ninyo, newly hired teacher si Ma'am Juliana Loredo. Kaya lang, ang kanyang first day of teaching is on August 1. So, expect pa lang natin siya on August 1. Pero siya yung magiging advisor dito. No? So, ang mag-a-assist muna sa inyo today is Sir Ferdinand Miranda. Okay. Next, Borromeo, Sir Jeffrey Sanchez ang magiging advisor nito. So, kunanan, new teacher din siya, pero last year pa siya na-hire, si Sir Harrison Cesar. And last but not least, sa grade 11 del Rosario, si Sir Jade Domingo. Okay, now, our grade 12 teachers headed by Sir Gerard Lacanlale, our master teacher 1, and grade 11 chair, Ma'am Jenny Bell Villarosa. So, from grade 12, Abad Santos, ang advisor ninyo is Ma'am Jenny Bell Villarosa. Wala pa ba siya? O, papunta ka lang. Sa grade 12 Benitez, Sir Gerard Lacanlale. Jeffrey Canlas. Sa grade 12 DASA, si Sir Rex Max Gomez. Okay, sa grade 12 Escalante, si Ma'am Alma Sanya. And last but not least, Gonzales, Sir Edwin Yanga. Makakaroon daw ng switching sa dalawa. Ang magiging DASA, si Sir Edwin Yanga, at ang Gonzales naman si Sir Rex Max. Dahil sa mga rooms, no? Nagkaroon ng changes sa kanilang hawak na section. And of course, yung dalawa nating subject teacher sa PE and PERDEP, si Ma'am Minette Alina. Newly hired teacher na sa August 1 pa lang darating, si Ma'am Alna Lavinda. No? So, manimitin siya sa August 1. Okay? Again, magandang buhay. Good morning and welcome to school year 2024-2025.